Yo, good morning and welcome to Power Plays Palace. Welcome to Power Plays Palace, man. It is a Wednesday morning and the market's moving kind of weird. So let's take a look at it, right? Um, so this is our chart from yesterday. Um, we was looking for if SPY could reclaim the 657 area. 657.41, entry around 657.50 to 658.10, stop below 656, target 659.80, 661.20, 662.61. Without rejection to 656.80, 657.40. Entry around 656.80, 657.50, without stop above 658.80. Target 655.20, 653.94, and 652.87. And so, look at what happened yesterday. Um, Spot opened up here around 651, and it went all the way up to 657.02. And from there, it worked back a little bit, and it went back down to 652. Um, and over the next couple of hours after that, it worked its way back up the 657 area and tried to break through. And it wasn't able to, so it pulled all the way back to the 652 area. And so um looking at the chart, you could have played the puts side of it. It did go up, but it did never reclaim that area. It got up there and it stalled out. And once it stalled out, you get your entry around 657, 656.80, 657.50. Put your stop at 658.80, and then you could have hit all three of these targets. And you could have did that twice yesterday. Yeah, twice. And so that would have been a great day for you. And then after that, you can see when the market closed, SPY had a run up to 660, and that kind of carried over into this morning where it's been in this range consistently of 660.50, um, down to 656.47. So it's been in this area. It's about a $3 range. So that's what we was looking at on the spot, man. And then, like I said, you can see this morning, it's been after it ran up yesterday, after the market closed. You can see it's been in this $3 range pretty much all morning. So that right there is it's pretty decent range. And so could be able to make a few moves, but we want to be safe. So if you played the chart yesterday, did a job. Let's look at the chart for today. What we have is if SPY can break out of this range that it's currently in, then what we'll be looking at setting our stop below 659.20, with our targets being 662, 663.80, 665.50. But if it tries to break through this range and it stalls out, we'll set our stop at 661.90, with our targets at 658.40, 657.02, and 655.50. And that'll be the area we'll be pursuing. So that's what we'll be looking at today. And, we just gonna try to keep it real simple, man, because it's a lot of volatility in the market right now because of what's going on all over the world. And I don't want to tell you, if you're following me on the charts and considering following what I'm talking about in the charts, there's a lot of unpredicted things with the news. Anything big in the news with the oil market or the bond market or affecting the U.S. dollar could have a real impact on what happens in the market. So, be careful. Don't chase it. If it's not there, pull out, stay out of the way, and make the most of each trade. And then let's go from there, man. It's a beautiful day today. Get in you a good trade and see what you can do. But if it's not there for you, then fall back. And this is not financial advice. But if anything that I say in my videos help you with your trading, or help you make the right decision, then share that, like, and subscribe to the channel, and leave comments. So if anything that I share um helps you with your trading. But at the end of the day, be disciplined. Set you some stop losses. Get out when it's time for you to get out. Get in when you think the time is right. And if you don't feel like it's a good time to trade, then don't trade. And that's your trade plan for the day for power plays. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Let's make it happen.